This video is how IntellisenseX has been implemented in setting the control source in PEM Editor. It's the 8th out of the 9 IntellisenseX videos. If you have watched the other videos, you no doubt have some expectations about how IntellisenseX works. And what I'm going to show you is that in PEM Editor, it works the same way. The difference is that in PEM Editor, it isn't dependent upon whether you have turned on IntellisenseX or not, because the handling is done by the key press event in PEM Editor. So here I have a form and I've selected an object on that form. And when I go to modify the control source, I can type in the name of a table, and when I type the dot, I get the same drop-down list that I would have gotten if I was editing code. I can also type in this form, and when I type in this form, I get the list of properties of the form I'm working on. Note that it's only the properties. This drop-down doesn't give you the events or methods because that's not relevant. And it also doesn't give you native properties, only custom properties that you've added here or in the parent class of the form. And you can also type in a new property. And when you do that and save it, it asks if you want to create the new property. You can also reference data objects. So if I go this form.o bizobj.odata, as explained in the third video, you can have data objects such that IntellisenseX will recognize the table associated. In this case, it finds the table for me and lets me choose the field. In essence, IntellisenseX has been implemented to set the control source in PEM Editor as you would expect.